We take an example now. Suppose I am a director of a profit making MSME company. मैं एक डायरेक्टर हूँ प्रॉफिट मेकिंग कंपनी का और मैंने पिछले 7 साल से बहुत प्रॉफिट कमाया है. इस साल भी मेरा प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा है. आई हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड वंस आई टेक आउट दिस प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम द कंपनी अकाउंट to my personal account, I have to pay tax. As a director, I have to pay 35.88% tax or against salary. If I take out against dividend or ESOP or against loan, then I have to pay again 35.88% tax, and the company also have to pay 25.17% tax. The total tax will be 61%. क्या ये बचाया जा सकता है? Can this be avoided? Yes, there is a game changer which I am just going to share with you. Any company which is profit making can buy an insurance plan for his employees or director who is also employed and pay the premium too. Once the company pays the premium, it is exempted from tax under section 37/1. It's called a business expense. और जितने भी साल वो प्रीमियम देंगे उस हर साल वो exemption मिलेगा. And what is the advantage? The company is saving tax. The person insured is covered, and a huge corpus is created at the maturity stage, a pension like fund which can be encashed at a later stage in maturity level very smartly under systematic withdrawal plan for 5 years, where the tax will be very, very, very low. So isn't this an excellent system? And this is legal and with compliance. Hi, my name is Sanjay Srivastava, and I help and strategize profit-making MSME company, create huge corpus, save taxes, insure their people, and retain their top employees. मेरा नाम संजय श्रीवास्तव है और मैं MSME कंपनी जो प्रॉफिट कमा रही हैं उनके लिए एक सोल्यूशन लाया हूँ जिसमें टैक्स बचाया जा सकता है लीगली विद कंप्लायंस, लोगों को इंश्योर किया जा सकता है और एक बड़ी रकम इकट्ठी हो जाती है पेंशन लाइक, जिसको भी इनकैश किया जा सकता है 5 साल में. ज़्यादा जानने के लिए कृपया मुझसे संपर्क करें. आई एम ऑन अ मिशन टू हेल्प 1 lakh MSME कंपनी टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस. You also be one of them. Do get in touch with me. I'll work out a solution for you.